anything else, I want you to picture one thing in mind. There's a older adult named Susan living in a Filipino typical setting who loves to eat delicious food, loves to eat rice, loves to eat fatty foods, right? And then one thing comes to mind when Susan reaches 40 years old. Experience one thing. Meet Susan, a 66 years old, and background previously a school teacher, now retired housewife, health state manages hypertension and mild anemia with regular checkups, wants to improve her diet to better manage health conditions. This is the problem that comes to mind. In the Philippines, hypertension is 37% among older adults and 69% experience hypertensive and 13.6% experience diabetes that would result to mental health issues, decline in function and mobility and independence, early mortality, cognitive impairment, increased risk of complications, and economic health burden. This is an underlying cause, social issues, health conditions in the Philippines. So we propose a solution, offers an AI-powered web and mobile app tailored for older adults and health-conscious Filipinos using food image processing, of course, MET-based activity, and of course, nutrition and fitness monitoring. And in the Philippines, hypertension is indeed the cause of those things. And for target customers, for the business to customer, is the middle income older adults with minimal tech familiarity because of the suitability of the app and the scalability of this app. For the secondary as well, business to business, is hospital and clinics, since most of the admission in the hospital are older adults, since most of the young people don't really care about their health actually. Next slide. So an app, mobile app, MyFitnessPal inspired. This is the Calorico, MyFitnessPal inspired, but with a little bit of tweak. So user profile with full customization along health metrics and dietary preferences. And now we're going to witness dashboard. And for the features and tech stack, we are going to use Food Image AI and Filipino Food DB, Smart Scale Integration, Calorie, dashboard, and back-end system. For the back-end system, we're gonna apply a Laravel framework, use Flutter for the front end, and use the Arduino and ESP8266 load cell specifically, or a custom dataset tailored to Filipino needs, because MyFitnessPal doesn't really use Filipino dataset actually. So next slide. So for our competitors, primarily MyFitnessPal and LifeSum. And for our direct competitors, it is the MyFitnessPal, and the difference between Calorico and these competitors is Calorico is a first Filipino-focused local database nutrition app. It primarily focuses on the data set of the Filipino foods, whether it's humba, adobo, and with the use of the integration of the sensor. So I'm going to provide a tangible project. This is the idea. We're going to develop an app to fetch those data coming from the data set of local Filipino cuisine, to use it in a cell phone and to scan it directly together with the Arduino sensor coming from the what do you call this, the food scale. So next slide. So our market opportunity is total addressable market of Filipinos who could benefit from Calorico, 45 plus adults risk of diet-related chronic disease. So consumer subscription, this is basically our offer. Consumer subscription in a premium, 99 pesos, and our free subscription, but there's a premium subscription, of course, that will come up to 1,000 a year. And then for our device, which is the food recognition alongside with the food scale, the Arduino food scale, is 2,000 one-time payment. It's a big investment if you're gonna consider your health, of course. So we are looking for 5 million for 12% of our company. So let us meet the team. The team is composed of CMO, CTO, and CEO. I'm John Robert Paler, the CEO, John Yazzie, the CTO, and Rafi De La Cruz, the CMO. So it's an encouragement to everyone, an encouragement to bridge those gaps between the nutrition-based app and the Filipino-based cuisine. So come and join me, and let's help like Susan. Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you so much. pwede sa tunga all the tanan na team, I mean, ang tanan na members for the feedback. So, mauna si Ma'am Cherry Ann Liangboy na maghatag sa iyang speech, sa iyang comment. Go, ma'am.